For me, it's the McChicken, best fast food sandwich. I even asked for extra McChicken sauce packets, and the staff is so friendly and more than willing to oblige. One time I asked for McChicken sauce packets and they gave me 3. I said, "Wow, 3 for free." And the nice friendly McDonald's worker laughed and said, "I'm going to call you 3 for free." Now the staff greets me with, "Hey, it's 3 for free," and always give me 3 packets. It's such a fun and cool atmosphere at my local McDonald's restaurant. I go there at least 3 times a week for lunch and a large iced coffee with milk instead of cream. 2 times for breakfast on the weekends, and maybe once for dinner when I'm in a rush but want a great meal that is affordable, fast, and can match my daily nutritional needs. I even dip my fries in McChicken sauce. It's delicious. What a great restaurant.